Basically, across the economy, we'd like to slow demand so that it's better aligned with supply, give supply at the same time to recover, and get into a better, a better alignment of supply and demand, and that over time should bring inflation down.
Today, interest rates went up 1/4 of a point. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, who you just saw, says the rate hike should help level skyrocketing inflation across the country. Wall Street seemed to like it. The Dow closing up 1.5 points, and all major cryptocurrencies are also in the green.
And if you're like most people, you have no idea what the interest rate hike will actually mean for you. Team 12's William Pitts is breaking it down with the experts.
The economy is kind of like a car, and interest rates are the gas pedal. When you put your foot on the gas, that's like cutting interest rates, speeds up the economy. But when you take your foot off the gas, that's raising interest rates, and it slows everything down. Today, the Fed's decided to ease off the pedal.
The Federal Reserve is saying, yeah, times are good, they're too good, and we're putting the brakes on now.
So how does that work? How does one little number slow down the entire economy?
When interest rates go up, it means banks have to charge higher interest rates for loans, which means it costs you more money to borrow money. So a mortgage will cost you more, both per month and for the 30-odd years that you have it. And some people just won't be able to borrow. And that's actually what the feds want.
The hope is that they can slow down inflation without causing unemployment, without throwing the economy into a recession.
And Arizona's real estate market will probably take a hit too. Not for the high end, but people trying to buy their first home.
You're going to start to see less multiple offers. You're going to see just those qualified buyers at that price point or whatever price point they're at. The buying power is diminishing, right before us.
But if people aren't going to be buying, they will be renting. And Eric Gibbs with the Arizona Association of Realtors says rent will probably go up even more if you can even find a rental.
The ability to get a rental is going to be really tough now, even more so, because more people will be moving to that segment of the market.
It's not just houses either, it's cars too. You probably have a loan to pay for your car. Those loans are going to cost more now.
The Federal Reserve is really pushing the publicity on it. They're saying, hey, we're on the job.
And that's the other part of economics. There's a lot that's not numbers, but people's attitudes. If people think this is going to work, it'll probably work.
It's not really going to make that big a difference, but it really affects people's view of what might lie ahead.
Down the road, though, experts say this will probably have to happen a few more times to get prices under control. William Pitts, 12 News.
Will, thanks.